Hello guys, today we will do an experiment, Fizzy magic potion. In this we have all the equipments and chemicals like citric acid and baking soda, and we have food grade colors like yellow color and blue color. So let's start. In this video we need 25 ml water. So I will pour the water and measure. Okay, we have here 25 ml water. Now we will pour it in a cup. In this we will add 2 drops of blue color. 1 minute. Okay, I have added 2 drops of blue color. Now we need yellow color. Okay, so 1 drop of yellow color and the second drop of yellow color. Now mix it well with a stirring stick. So it is turned into green color. Now in this we need 1 scoop of citric acid. So I will take 1 scoop. Now I will add 1 scoop of citric acid in it. And now we will add 1 scoop of baking soda in it. I will add 1 scoop of baking soda in it. Okay. Now we will mix it well. Now in this we will add this, and voila! Our fizz magic potion is created. Once the fizz will settle down, we will add more water, 25 ml. Fizz is settling down a little bit. Okay, it is settled down. Now we will add 25 ml water in it. We have here 25 ml water. 1 minute. Now we will add 25 ml warm water, and the fish is coming up again, as you can see.